Repurposing your content from YouTube to other social media platforms is very important and it makes your growth on other channels faster. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Queen Karen, your favorite video editor who teaches you how to up your editing game from beginner to pro. And welcome to day 5 of our content creation challenge. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to repurpose your videos for other social media platforms from your YouTube video. So Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and the likes. I'm also going to be showing you guys how to create those 15-second shorts that you guys see on YouTube instead of creating an entire 60 seconds video for your YouTube shorts. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn the aspect ratio from YouTube to TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. So stay tuned and keep watching. Let's go straight into editing.
So first up, let's start with YouTube. I'm going to be showing you guys how I create shorts that are 15 seconds long and post them on my YouTube shorts instead of creating an entire video of 60 seconds. Let me show you. Now, let me use one video from my channel that I haven't done before. Let's use this one.
I didn't create a script for this video.
So let's say I want to create a short for this video. All I have to do is click on this remix right here. Remix and click on edit into a short.
I don't know I'm about to do this, but let's just go. Hey friends, welcome back.
As you can see, YouTube has finally cut out 15 seconds from the video so that we can use it as a short. All you have to do is just place this at whichever side of the video you want. So let's do this.
To learn how
so do you want this side to be the short? You can move it to another part. Just pick the most important 15 seconds. Pick the most important 15 seconds of the video and then post that as a short. And you can also change the layout. Just click on layout. Now on CapCut, all you need to do is click on new project and import the picture of the new background that you want to use for your video. Done. Now click on overlay and import the video that you want to change the background. Whichever you like, CapCut, all you need to do is click on new project and then press continue. Now on CapCut, all you need to do is click on new project. You can add text, you can also trim. Now on CapCut, but why would you want to trim down? I don't usually press any of this. I'm just going to press next. Add your caption. And then just post publicly or privately or schedule the video. But you can just post publicly because the video it's a short and there's nothing wrong with it since it's already a video recognized and accepted by YouTube. So all you have to do is click on upload and there you go. You have uploaded your YouTube shorts. That's 15 seconds long. If you check some of my shorts, you will notice I have a lot of this kind of videos on there. So this one, for example,
YouTube will keep pushing out your content, meaning more viewers and more chances of you getting more subscribers.
And when people see this video, they can just click on the creator from Karen. Can you see that? And then it will direct them to the original video. Now, the next one we want to learn is how to change the aspect ratio to Instagram or TikTok. All you have to do is, this is a YouTube video, right? Go to aspect ratio, click on TikTok. Do you see that? And then select the video and zoom in to your face till it fits the screen. And there you go. You have it for YouTube. You can also change it for Instagram. Zoom out a little bit. The white line you're seeing above showing, it means it's fitted into the screen properly. So as simple as that. And note that TikTok and Instagram Reels are kind of the same. So you don't have to do much. And that's it. You can go ahead, add captions, do whatever you want. But yeah, this is how to change the aspect ratio from your YouTube video to other platforms. Now, let me show you how to repurpose your videos. If you have them posted on another platform and you do not want the watermark to show, this is a secret I'm sharing with you guys, okay? Should I share it here? No, I'm not going to share it here. You know what I'm going to do? There's going to be a link in the description. All you have to do is just join that group. That's where I'm going to be sharing the secret on how to download your videos. Yep. This platform is my community. I teach you guys different things. And guess what? The latest news will be dropping on there and deeper editing tricks. So you do not want to miss it. Join the group right now, because by end of January, I might not be promoting it again. So
I hope you guys found this video very helpful. Leave a comment down below on what new thing you learned and what you want to learn next. And I'll see you guys in day 6. Bye.